which is that the Assembly resolves to impeach the governor under Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33 of the County Government Act, and Standing Order Number 74 of Kericho County Assembly Standing Orders, on the grounds as moved in the special motion by Honorable Kiprotich Rogony, citing A, gross violation of the Constitution and other laws, B, abuse of office, and 3, gross misconduct as tabled before this House. Will as many as are of that similar opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as are of that contrary opinion say nay? And the ayes have it. Order, honorable members. Honorable members, this, as you are all aware, and I want to make some ruling. Honorable members of this House, this morning we received a list of the members that have resolved that they shall not participate or will not attend this morning session. But I will give an opportunity, probably, if one of them or so may have arrived. I would like to know. And before then, I would just like to highlight that pursuant to Standing Order Number 83, the voting will be done through roll call voting, where honorable members will be called in alphabetical order, and when so called, a member will declare from where he or she sits that either I vote aye, that is yes, or I vote nay, that is no, or I abstain. This is the only way we shall ascertain as to whether the threshold for impeachment in terms of numbers are required by Standing Order and County Government Act is met. As the division bell is being run by Sergeant at Arms, I will request the members of the ayes and the nay side to each nominate a teller and forward their names to the clerk at the table. And I now, therefore, before then, I'll request also that since we have the 16 members who have signed, I have two lists here, honorable members, 16 members who have appended their signatures against